The brush roller locking system continuously cleans the drum, keeping the machine hygienic and running smoothly. A precision dough divider assembly shapes the dough perfectly, ensuring smooth and uniform dough balls. The adjustable belt tightening mechanism allows operators to set the exact tension for stable and efficient movement. A dedicated dough ball moving belt locking system ensures accurate timing and error-free transfer of each dough ball. The integrated Rice Bran oil filler applies a controlled amount of oil to prevent sticking. The dough ball size adjuster lets you easily set the desired size, ensuring consistency across every batch. Each mechanism works in sync to deliver reliable performance even during continuous, high-speed production. Together, these features make the dough ball making machine efficient, hygienic, and highly accurate for modern food manufacturing.